we are here today for the naming ceremony of Alec Megastar. For us, it's a very nice event because we have now been 1.5 years designing and building the ship.
Integrated those tanks inside the ship, but with the LNG implementing, we can improve.
While other people talk about building a tunnel, we make steps to actually practically achieve something.
Minun parimmat sovit Megastarille, parhaimmat onnittelut Megastarille ja nyt pitäkää peukku.
It's a brush, finished design. Now comes the tricky part to mount.
This is a great day. Thank you.